Hey everyone, it's Alex Tucker with alextucker.ca, and this is just going to be a quick video to demonstrate how to set up and optimize a Facebook page a little bit for your small business. So first of all, we'll go over a little bit of why you might want to set up a Facebook page for your small business. And it's actually a pretty good first step, which you can do even before you've got a business license, or before you've actually gone into business, or before you're going to spend any money or really put a whole lot of time and energy into it. You can use a Facebook page to kind of feel out whether or not it's going to be a good idea. And so we'll just get right into it. There's actually more than one way that you can create a Facebook page, but the easiest way that I find is just to sign into your regular Facebook account and then come up here to the top bar and click on Create, and then go to Page and click on Page. And this used to look different. There used to be a bunch of different options, but they've changed it now to where it's just community or public figure or business or brand. So we're going to go with Get Started on business or brand. And here's where you would put in your page name and the category. And when you start typing in category, it will autofill for you. So if I wanted to be a marketing agency, I start typing in marketing, it gives me marketing agency, market research consultant, advertising/marketing. If I was an artist, I could start typing art, and this is art, artist, arts and entertainment, art and humanities website, art gallery, visual arts, performance, the art theater. So there's a lot of options that it'll prompt you for. And I'm not going to go any further than that because I don't want to have to set up and delete a page. But basically you would just fill out a little bit more information and click on a few more buttons, and then you would get to your page, which would look something like this, although this is a bit more set up. And the first step that I usually do in optimizing a page is just to click on About, and this will take you to this screen, and you can add a bunch of information here, such as an email address, a phone number, but the main thing that I want to draw your attention to is the username. Now, it's important to add a username because that will become the URL up here of your page. You can see the URL of my page is facebook.com/AlexTuckerDigital, and so that'll become the URL of your page. And it also at Alex Tucker Digital can be used to tag my page in other people's posts and comments, or in my posts and comments. So it's important to get set up with that, and all you need to do is click on Edit, or if you don't have one yet, it would say something like Set Up Username, and you would just click on Edit or Set Up and set that up. And you can also modify your name and category here. So that's a good place to get started. And then once you've done that, the next step that I usually do is to click on Settings up here, and this takes you to kind of the back end of your Facebook page. And there's actually a ton that you can do here. You can set up messaging, which is like you can set up like a chatbot type thing. You can set up appointment messaging. You can modify your page info back here. You can modify your notification settings. You can check a lot of different things, and another key one actually is let's see, you can connect to Instagram, and under page roles you can add a contributor. So if you were a client of mine, for example, and you wanted to add me as an editor or an admin or a moderator on your page, or even just as an advertiser or analyst, you would just type in one of my email addresses here. You'd have to get the right one from me, or my name, and then you would click on Add, and you'd be able to add me as a contributor. As you can see right now, I'm the only contributor on my page. But the one thing I wanted to draw your attention to mostly here is the Templates and Tabs tab. So we're going to click on that. And here you can edit your template. So if we click on this, you can see there's a bunch of different templates available for your Facebook page. And I just kind of went with the default one because it works well. I'm a service provider. It's a services page. And but the thing that you do want to modify, or the thing that I modify on most of my pages, is the default tabs order down here. So you can actually click and drag these into a different order. And I like to have my services up top if my page has services, and then reviews. If you have reviews, it's good to get those up near the top, and then have posts so that people can see what you're posting. And then under that you have things like about and shop. And if you were an e-commerce website, you might have different priorities. You might want to have shop up higher somewhere. But for my purposes, I like to do it like this. But anyways, that's kind of where you can control the aesthetic of your Facebook page. So you can just simply click and drag these into different orders that you would like to see them in. And then once you're done there, you can just click on page to go back to your page. And it's always good to check what your page looks like from a non-admin perspective. So if you click on the dots here, first of all, you can go to edit page info to quickly edit your page's information. But you can also go to view page as visitor, and that's going to show you what your page looks like to everybody else. So when someone first comes in here, it opens up a chat window. I should probably set up a bit of an autoresponder here, or like an initial welcoming message to send to people. So that's if I was reviewing my own Facebook page, that's what I would tell myself, I think. But then as you can see, I've got some of the services that I offer outlined here at the top. And then because I don't have any reviews, the next thing that shows up is my most recent posts. So that's really all I wanted to go over. That's not a super in-depth look at Facebook pages, but it is it should help you get started with one and get it looking decent so that it's working for you. And if you have any questions or anything specific that you'd like me to go over, feel free to contact me. You can contact me via my Facebook page, via my website, email, or simply by commenting on this video. Always happy to help, and I hope that your digital marketing is going well. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.